Miles McCauley up front now. Tyler G. Brown left wing in tight for McCauley. Scores! Believe it started with Britton. And Miles McCauley gives the Whalers a 1-0 lead. But here a good pass by Britton to set up McCauley.
Well, you could see, as I mentioned, Maxwell was at their mercy.
In by Jenks. AJ on the left point. Pumped it in deep lower rim of the left circle. McCauley working right out in front. Scores! That went off a Kitchener player, the defenseman Jasper, I think. Looked like that shot was going wide, but Miles McCauley is second of the night, 13th of the year, and the Whalers up 2-0.
Here's a good look at the replay. Good power move there, no question about it. McCauley's trying to get that pass over.
Left wing to the goal line, Hayes. High slot, Jenks a shot. Save, they score! On the rebound, McCauley with the hat trick. And the Whalers lead 3-0.
And the hats come cascading onto the ice. 3, 4 hats on the ice. And that's a hat trick for Miles McCauley. How about this, Crupper? 11:26 to go in the second period. And Miles McCauley, and that was a gimme. A big shot from the point. The rebound came right out to Miles, and he said, thank you very much. And he completes the hat trick. Native of Sterling Heights, huh? Take a look there. Joe Gaynor wreaking havoc in front. Comes right out to McCauley. Team is going to be a force to be reckoned with come playoffs because of development of guys like number 13, Miles McCauley.
Well, our post-game guest, the game's first star, Miles McCauley. First of all, Miles, congratulations. Nice to see you and AJ and the rest of the team pick it up with so many guys out of the lineup. Nice to...
Thank you very much. It was pretty fun tonight for sure.
Take me through the first couple of goals there in the first period. Because I think the Whalers really needed the lift to get a couple of early goals to get going.
Yeah, we needed this win big time, and sometimes it's better to be lucky than good, I think so.
But you've got some skill too, and I know one of the goals you scored went off a Kitchener defenseman, but if you're not in the right place to snap it towards the goal, it doesn't go in, right?
Yeah, that's very true. The D stick was on the ice, so I was trying to pass it to Davy, and then I saw that, and I just try to bank it off his stick, and it went in the net.
We're taking a look at the first goal here, a good three-way passing play between Josh Britton and Tyler G. Brown, and I guess you were kind of the late man filling the hole. Is that how you saw that goal?
Yeah, exactly. That actually happened between me and Britton the other day in Windsor, and it's kind of the same play, except without Brownie.
That's exactly right. Now, maybe the key play is not the goal you scored, but the goal you set up for Joe Gaynor, because the Whalers were leading 3-1. They get one back. It's 3-1. And then you take us through the fourth goal that Joe Gaynor scored.
I wasn't sure if I was going to go out or not, but then I was talking to Marsden on the bench. He says, you got 30 seconds left, and I go to him, that's plenty of time to get one more. And then I saw the puck go around the far boards, and then I already knew Gaynor was there before I got the puck. And luckily, I just threw it right to his tape, and he just buried it short side.
We're looking at it here on the replay, and just a nice pass by yourself after intercepting it. I thought that was a huge goal to make it 4-1 after they came back to make it 3-1. Would you agree?
Yeah, I agree very well. It's nice to score goals, but it's also even more fun to get assists because you know you can help someone out by getting a lucky bounce like that.
Miles, you almost got number 4 there late in the game. You caught the goaltender napping a little bit. You almost got number 4.
Yeah, I had a couple of chances to get one more, but I'm happy with the 3 right now, and I was hoping I was going to get a hat trick tonight because I felt really good.
You know, Miles, talk to us, but before you joined us, we said, you know, you're one of those guys, a classic example of a guy that comes in, you know, you have some good shifts, you have some shifts that maybe you'd like to have back, but watching you from a year ago to now, what's it been for you? I mean, you're scoring, you're obviously a guy that belongs on the top two lines, your production shows it. What got it going for you?
Thank you very much for all those compliments, actually. And I just paid my dues last year. I came in, I knew I wasn't going to get too much, and then all the coaches were telling me last year, and even our goalie coach and even Kirky too, they're like, next year's your year, just be ready, you're putting in your time right now, and luckily I'm paying it off right now.
One last thing, we'll let you go. We've talked about what you did tonight, but I thought Matt Hackett and the penalty killers also had a huge part in this victory. Just talk about them a little bit. It's got to be fun for you playing in front of a guy like Matt Hackett.
Yeah, he got drafted last year by Minnesota, and they're a really good defensive team, so it's only obvious that he got drafted by them. And our penalty kill it's got to be pretty good because we're not taking the smartest penalties. We're kind of taking not so good ones, but it's luckily that we got when we have penalties that we have a solid PK unit, and then Hackett too.
Miles, we'll let you go. Congratulations on the nice game, and keep up the good work.
Thank you very much.
Miles McCauley, the game's first star.